Hey guys, I'm Dukes and welcome back to the journey. So today is just me, no Tima today. Why do you ask? This is an improv video. I just picked up a camera at Walmart, Vivitar 360 action camera. And I said, you know what? And I got off work early. I said, let me test this thing out and let me take you guys along with you. So a lot of you guys might not know, but I'm actually a professional motorcycle rider, driver, whatever you want to call it. Okay, maybe take away the professional, but I do have a motorcycle, guys. And on a nice sunny day like this, I say, you know what? I should go ahead and take it out for a spin. So this new camera, the Vivitar, came with this bicycle mount that you see right here. So I jimmy rigged it. Obviously this is not a bicycle, guys. But what I did is I jimmy rigged it and I put it right here on the mirror. And what I'm gonna do is just go around the block, not do anything too crazy, and test this 360 action camera out for you guys. Okay guys, so I got my gear on, I got my helmet, my jacket, you gotta ride safe, safety first, kids. Remember your Uncle Duke said safety first. So, let's crank this bad boy up and let's go ride. So guys, when you're watching it 360, this is how it's gonna look. If you want to control it yourself, if you go down here to your browser and you hit play as 360 video, you now are in control. If you come up here, you can move it around and see exactly what I see and do whatever you want. You could even dance like me. Check me out, look at my dance moves. Okay, let's get it. Team Dukes. Team Dukes. Team Dukes. Let's get it. How you guys doing? You guys enjoying yourselves? We're gonna take a scenic route. We're gonna take the back roads today. Face is clear, let's get it. cylindrical mount. Looks to be worked out pretty well for my motorcycle. So I hope you enjoyed that ride. I definitely did. So my thoughts on the 4K 360 cam is that for the price, it is a very good camera. At first, the quality that you see doesn't look 4K-ish, but once you put it on the computer and you upload it and you see the final version, you're like, okay, this is nice. So it's definitely a nice camera. The microphone is not the best, I would say. So, but all in all, if you want an inexpensive, good action camera, Vivitar, I would definitely recommend it. If you're looking for something better, then I'm looking for it too. So you're on your own there. Until next time, guys, I'm Dukes. Take care.